Hola mis amigos and welcome back to my canal. So today I'm going to be showing you this fast, easy makeup that I don't even know how, I want to say it's less than 10 minutes that I'm doing. And if y'all can see, my son is sitting right there. Say hi.
Hi.
But anyways, yeah, we're in a rush because we got to get to school. I got to get to work. And I just want to show y'all when I'm doing my makeup, how fast. I know I try to explain through the video. But at the same time, I was trying to hurry, because I want to show y'all actually in a timely manner. I didn't want to be like, oh, this is fast makeup you do. I want to show y'all legit how fast it is when I'm trying to get to work and I actually got to leave in 2 minutes. But anyways, guys, so if y'all want to see how I do this and just how fast, well, I think it's fast, but makeup and simple it is because, we're going to work to be professional. We all guys just keep on watching so we can go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start. Just got out of the shower. I have to, this is like a makeup I do really quick, like when I have to get to work like that. I'm already running late today, but I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use the NYX brow gel and my Anastasia Beverly Hills in number 12 brush. I love this little end, love it. It's just thin enough and it's perfect. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is how I do my eyebrows. I do have a video for that on how I do them. So if you want to see that, just just look down there below. I'll have the subscription line attachment so you're able to look at it. Very easy. Maybe not the way you might do it, but let's see. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX micro brow pencil. Get this tip right here and just draw some strokes like if it was hair that I kind of have but don't have. So just like that, I'll go down here. Just kind of attach all that and then just do that. Then I'll go back in with that spoolie and then just kind of blend it. I feel like it's a little slanted. So, yep, just like that. And to clean it, I'm going to use my my MAC concealer and just apply a little bit. And I'm not doing this perfect because when I'm in a rush and I'm, trying to hurry up and I'm running late, I literally, it's not pretty. So I'm just doing that. It's like all really quick. I do this. So same thing. I'm trying to do all my makeup on here so that way you can see how long it takes me. I'm doing this. Get this. So yeah, I'm trying to do my makeup right now before I go to work so I can show you on a regular basis. If this is just like my simple, makeup, like fast, I'm running late and I gotta hurry up, makeup, so. I don't know. Same thing, concealer. And that's my MAC one. I'm not priming my eyes. I'm not doing my eyelids because I'm not doing what's it called? Eyeshadow. This is just like my late everyday kind of look. And sometimes when I'm not done at work, I'm not at work, Lord. When I'm not done at home, I finish up in the car. I'm not driving. I'm parked waiting for my son's bus to get here. And I'll finish up there. But I'm trying to finish up so I can show y'all. Okay. Next, I'm going to moisturize my face. Okay. So I'm going to use my Butter Soft Body Butter. The pomegranate kind. And it's from Victoria's Secret. I'm just going to apply some to my face. And on this, this is usually all I do. And I do have to go like this to dip it in here because of my nails. So, I don't want to get it in my nails. So I do this. Okay. After that's done, I'm not going to prime my face, and usually I don't. So, let me get some tissue. Okay, clean my hands. Okay, next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation, and this one is a little dark. So what I do is I do 2 pumps. I'm gonna do my Derma Blend foundation. This one is in medium natural 40 in. I'm gonna apply just some kind of around, just like that. And I use these two just because of the, I like them together. Okay, gonna get my beauty blender. And I feel like that way it kind of lightens the dark color up. I'm gonna use my beauty blender, my, just a spray, the Mario Badescu facial spray. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply all that. Usually when I'm like really, well, I'm running already late. But what I do is just like the fastest I've ever done this. So just apply everywhere. Right here on the nose, C-bar, because you don't want that. I'm always turned very red every time I apply like lotion on my face. I turn very red. Okay, I'll go a little bit over my eyes. And yeah. The only reason I did not add the concealer over my eyelids, and usually I will if I do an eyeshadow. Oh, sorry, my hair thing is falling off. Is because I feel like if I apply my foundation and I'm not doing anything on my eyes, it's gonna be lighter, and I don't want it light. I just kind of want it all to blend in together. That's the only reason I didn't do the concealer up here right now. Now, if I would have done a foundation, or I mean, eyeshadow, yeah, I would have primed that. Nosy. Let me put my hair up. Ugh. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So, that's that. Okay. So when I'm hurrying up and I'm doing my concealer, I literally just do a little bit there, if that there, and apply it all right there. And right now I am using my Tarte Shape Concealer. This one is in medium. Yeah, I just like to do it like that, fast. I get my same beauty blender. I go on this side right here that's clean. Let me spray it really quick. Same spray. And just apply. Okay, just like this. Okay. Just doing that. Okay. When I get to there, I'm not going to bake. I'm not going to do all that because, you know, we're in a rush. We're in a hurry. We like got like minutes to, you know, all that. I'm going to go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm going to get my big fluffy brush. We'll dip and just apply it everywhere. I'm going to go over a little bit my eyebrows. Not a lot because I don't want those too powdery. And I'll try to get just exactly where I already did the concealer. And I'm going to set it with this. Because see, it does not, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's just perfect. Like, I don't have to set that. I'm just setting it with this already. Like, I am setting it, but not with the, like, you know, translucent powder or anything like that. I'm just doing my regular skin tone powder. After that, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild contour palette. And I'm going to go in with this one. It's Dulce de Leche, and I'm going to go in with this darker side right here. I'm just going to dip my brush and just going to pat it on there. I'm telling you, when I'm in a rush, it's even worse. Sometimes I'm like, I don't even explain. I'm like rushing, trying to put on my pants, put them on. I put another little bronzer up here, put on my shirt, you know, and I'm just like doing all at once. I'm like, hey puppy, are you ready? You know, kind of things. Which, okay. And then when you get up here, I'm just bronzing a little bit to the hairline so it doesn't look all different skin tone right there. I mean, it's different, but we can't, you know, show it. Because this is all natural, right? Okay. Then I'm just going to apply it all a little bit down here with what I already have. I'm not going into it again. Just with what I have. And see, at first I dab it and then I just kind of twirl it around. I'm not going to do any eyelashes. When I'm in a rush, I don't have time to be putting those on and all that. So I'm going to go in with my contacts. So with these, I just apply them. And then it's going to look like I tried. Like, see, I'm like, ooh, okay, I tried today. And I'm like, oh, I'm not there yet. Okay. So, yeah. And then sometimes I'll apply mascara. But I really kind of want like a really just... Oh, hold on, I'm sorry. My brush here? Where's my brush? Hold up. Okay. I just really want like a natural kind of finish because I don't have time. Okay. And then... Okay. Okay, so I usually brush my hair sideways over here, then sideways over here. And then I kind of go in the middle just to kind of blend it all out. And ta-da! Okay. And then if I want to look official, like, you know, it's legit, you know, we're going to work, which, I mean, I am. We'll just add these bad boys. Oh my god, I got my glasses wet. Okay. I'm like really need to hurry up. Okay. So then I'll apply these. And let me get dressed, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So really, yeah, that's it. I wanted to keep my glasses on, but you see the reflection. So I took them off for just a moment. But yeah, usually this is just my average. I need to get to work. Kind of, I'm in a rush. Like literally right now, I just woke up my son because I thought it was some kind of certain time, and it's not. I'm already running late. But let me tell you. So on this, I usually don't highlight. I know. But when I'm in a rush, that's like, honestly, I don't even have time to glow. Like, that's crazy. But I know, like, you know, my mom, I'm trying to hurry up. Sometimes I have a makeup bag and I have it in there, but usually I try to put my makeup as I'm here at the house. But anyways, so then after all of that, just to let you know, on the lips, I try to use something natural, sometimes. But sometimes I'm natural up here and I'm way bold down here. But, like for today, I'm just going to go with this lip liner, natural. And it's by Nobby. I ordered it on Amazon. Oops. No point. Okay. So, usually this kind of things, if, you know, I'm already running late and I gotta be outside because of the bus, I'll literally just carry this with me. Sometimes I put it in my pocket because it's like the last finishing touch that I need to do. But I have like 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna apply it. This one, it's just so pretty. Hold on. Can't talk. Okay. So, it's natural. But yet it has like a, you know, just a tint. Yeah, this is how it looks when I'm in a rush. It doesn't look pretty. Does not look pretty. Okay. See? And then I'll use my little e.l.f. glitter. It's like a lip plumbing gloss. And just to let you know, when you do put it on, it does tingle. So, I don't know if it's plumbing it, but it does tingle. I'll apply just a little bit right there, like little bop, 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 bop. Ta-da! We're done. And that's it. Okay, guys. So, hopefully y'all liked this look. Something really fast, something simple, just to let you know, just like steps when you're in a rush. And I'm telling you, a lot of this time right now, I did kind of explain to you, but when I'm doing it, I'm literally like, and I try to do the rest off in the car, like I said, when I'm waiting for the bus stop. And it's kind of hard because it's kind of still dark outside, so then I have to turn on the lights, and then everybody's like driving by and they're seeing me, and I really don't give, you know, I was going to say. But anywho, guys, so yeah, that's it. Hopefully you all liked it. If you did, please thumbs up. Something simple, something crazy. I know I look cray-cray with no eyelashes on, but yeah, that's my regular kind of day at work. Just add the glasses and you can't even really tell. So, what do you mean no lashes? Girl, I got lashes. They're like way, yeah, I don't really have any more lashes. I did once, one time ago, I really did, but you know, fake lashes and, you know, the mascara, it just messed them up. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, mwah, y'all be good. You all take care. Mwah. Besos, mi amigos. Adios.